Okay, because that wasn't enough, we're going to do a little mermaid with a rotation, also known as hawk. Okay, heel is forward, arms are out wide. Here we go. Exhale, prepare. Inhale, shoot to one long line. Bring that leg back and press up to the sky with the leg. Now, you're going to exhale, wrap around, and look towards the ocean as your arms come back side. Then you're going to scoop some fish up from the ocean as you inhale and bring the right arm up as the left arm goes down. You're going to reach the heel forward, start to come up, and then dip all the way over. Keep going. Gorgeous. And then come up and exhale. Inhale, one long line. Exhale, wrap around to the ocean. Inhale, scoop up some fish, reach the heel forward, and exhale, go all the way over to the other side. And then inhale, come back up. And exhale. Last time. Inhale, shoot to one long line. Exhale, wrap around. Inhale, scoop up some fish. And exhale, pour the fish all over you and eat them if you like fish. It will be sushi because we haven't cooked them. And then come on up and rest. Delicious. The fish was yummy? Okay, good. Let's do the other side here. Left heel is forward, or right heel is forward. Hips as square as possible, ribs connected. Equal on both cheeks as much as humanly possible. All right, arms are out wide. Exhale, prepare. Inhale, shoot to one long line. Exhale, wrap around, look at the ocean. Inhale, scoop up some fish. Yep. Exhale, reach the heel forward, bring the arms up and over. And then inhale, come all the way back up to seated. Gorgeous. And exhale. That's the get ready. Inhale, shoot out to one long line. Exhale, wrap around. Inhale, scoop it up. Exhale, reach up and over. And inhale, come back up. Last one. Exhale. Inhale, shoot to one long line. Exhale, wrap it around. Inhale, scoop up some fish. And exhale, come up and over. Gorgeous. And come back up and rest. Woo! You'd think that would be enough, but it's not, is it? No. Okay. You're not sweating, are you? No, never. Okay. All right, other side. Now we're just going to go down and up 5 times. So this is called bow and arrow. You're going to hook your bottom leg at your top leg. And then you're going to, we have many different ways of doing this. You can cross your arms. You can reach your arms up overhead. Today we're going to do the full thing. So the top arm is going to be in high fifth, and the bottom arm is going to be sucking your abs in for you. You're in one long line. Our ribs are connected. This is our start. We're going to inhale, dip down a little bit, and exhale, just come to one long line. 5. Inhale down. It's easy, ladies and gentlemen. 4. And 3. Keep squeezing your hips forward to keep you in line. 2. Last time. And 1. Yay! Come up and out of it. Okay, 1 more. You can do it, honey. All right. She's all lined up. So right leg is in the strap, bottom leg is wrapped around underneath, right arm is up overhead, knee or ribs are connected. Dip it down. Inhale and exhale. Bring it up. 5. Good. And, oh yes, 4. She loves her left rib. 3, and 2, and 1. Come on up and rest. Nice work. So you can do anywhere between 5 and 10. 5 is good though after all those other ones, don't you think? Oh yeah, we're good. All right. How's our energy? Okay, shall we do some side legs? Why not? All right, hop off. Okay, so you can do these on or off the box. We're going to do it on the box today. And we're going to do our right leg first. So what you need to do is shift the box off from where if it was over the shoulder rests, and then you shift it over so that the box is not touching onto the rails of the side that your tush is going to be on. Because if it is, sometimes it'll get stuck. And if it gets stuck, don't worry, you just have to change it. All right, and then we're going to do simple, just half spring. And I forgot, we need to pull it back a little bit. So you pull it back, that way you have a little bit more range for the carriage to move. And you can adjust however far you need per person, but this should be okay for Malia. We can always get off and fix it. So you're gonna get on, this is tricky to get on. You gotta have your cheek all the way down here, line your back with the edge of here, and then you're gonna have your hand at your ear with your elbow slightly forward. And she's gonna show us just like a pro. And if you're a teacher, you can help anchor the carriage if you need to. Good, yep. And are we gonna fit? And your elbow can actually go on the box. Good. Now you can either put this on yourself, or if you have a friend, why not use your friend so they can help you? And we're just gonna put this right above the knee, and we're gonna be at about 90 degrees. All right, or below the knee, sorry. How are we feeling? Do we feel like we're gonna fall off? I would move this shoulder a little more forward, yep. And now we're gonna lift our underneath waist nice and strong, and our shoulders down, good. Flex our feet, inhale, prepare, and all you're gonna do is exhale, lift the leg. Are we gonna move? And we're moving! And then we're gonna lower the leg. Are we getting stuck on the rails? And lift the leg. We're not, we're just having a good time. And lower the leg. And again, this is 3, lift the leg. She's doing a beautiful job of keeping a little space between her waist and the box. 4, you might not be able to see that at home, but I can see it and it's fabulous. Just one more. 5. You can do anywhere between 5 and 10. We're just gonna do 5 today. Let's bring your heels back now in alignment with your sits bones, and this will move a little bit. And now you're just gonna open your knee and do clams. 1, even more fun, isn't it? And then lower down. And again, 2, and 3, and 4. One more time. 5. Nice. Okay. Bring your knees back up in front. And I'm going to take this now. And now the top leg, you're going to bring this down and put it on your ankle. Reach this leg out long. Waist is up. Keep this leg about as high as your hip. And now press back long if we can. 5. Oh yeah. And control it forward. And 4. Yep, and you can do it in parallel and turn out. We're doing it in parallel right now. 3. And 2. And last one. 1. Excellent. Okay, I'll take that for you, and you can hop up. How'd that feel? Delicious? Oh yeah. All right, pull it over. Yeah, you don't want it the tricky thing with this, if you don't want it too far, because then it gets stuck on the other side. So it is a bit tricky getting in and out with this type of reformer, but we can get it working. Okay, Hop it up. Line your tush, your shoulder, and your head with the back edge, but be very careful because this is one where you don't realize you're so far back and you could just go whoosh, flying off backwards, and that is not going to work out good for anyone. Okay, and put this around there. Is that okay? Our waist is up, our head is out, we're happy. Inhale, exhale, just lift that leg up a little bit. 1. Good, and now keep that right rib up a little more. Beautiful. 2. Yep, and so the trick here is to keep your pelvis stable while you move the leg. She's doing a great job of it. 3, but what a lot of people do is start moving their hips front and back, and you really just want the femur bone moving in the hip socket. 4, which she's doing fabulously, but if you know someone who might not be doing it fabulously. 5, you can hold and have them keep that hip still. Okay, now we're gonna go into our clams. And we need to, oh no, we're fine. Deep breath and open the knee. 5. Are we loving this one? 4. And 3. Sometimes when we're teachers, we don't necessarily do all of our exercises all the time. 2, I don't know anyone who would ever do that, but 1. And then you do one you haven't done for a while and you're like, wow, oh geez, I'm really mean to my clients. Okay, not that I ever feel that way. So around the ankle now, reach that right leg out and lift it up a little bit higher and get that waist good. Now, bring the leg forward, inhale, and then slide it backwards, exhale. 5. And 4. And 3. And 2 more. 2. And last set. 1. Very nice. All right. I will take this, and we've made it through some fabulous short box.